How to fix Twitter lag in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management. Now scroll down and find Twitter app and click on Twitter, and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your Twitter. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to the main page and open Play Store, and then search here Twitter. Now here you can check your Twitter update. Now search here Twitter, and if your Twitter have any update, then here you can see the update option instead of open. After update your Twitter, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it, and here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.